There are a lot of deals this sale season, but are they real deals or just made up? In this video, let's see how you can find real deals and save money on your online purchases. Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park. Let's get started. In this video, we are looking at a Google Chrome extension called BuyHatke. The major use of this extension is to see the price variation for the product available online. You can see the price difference of the product on a daily basis, weekly basis and monthly basis. Use this extension to see whether this is the right time to buy or should you wait for a few more days. This also uses probability to show the chances of price drop in the coming days. You can also set an option to remind you when the price of the product goes down to your desired price. It also shows you coupons for various sites, but I don't find it really useful. Using this extension, you can save some money and remember to search before you buy. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.